Hello everyone, my name is Jutanul Ahmed and today we're unboxing the Ledger Nano S Plus. Let's get straight into it. So this actually came with the Ledger Stax batch 1234 as an additional product. The reason is because they delivered so late, they tried to compensate us in some way. This is a retro gaming edition, so this is the front of the box. I'm going to show you all of it. So Ledger on the top. Okay, the bottom has some information, so well, it's just a barcode and stuff. We can probably, I don't actually know, do they have it in retail stores at all? But yeah, Ledger Nano S, we secure millions of customers. Okay, peace of mind, all-inclusive storage, easy asset management, and then it's in French and Spanish, I believe. Oh, what's this? Why is that orange there? Maybe because of the coloring of this, maybe. Anyways, let's get the knife out and let's cut it up. Let's put a little, I've done a little slit there. I'll open it. Yes, so it's like shrink wrap. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, it's very, that's very like just like cling film, lol. It's a sleeve, so, or is it? That's very tight. That was a struggle, but anyways, there's nothing in there. Yeah, so let's pop that to a side. And yeah, so this is how the box looks itself. Ooh, first look, very orange, very orange. I think this is meant to resemble, like, well, it's meant to be a retro gamer, but I would say Bitcoinish. Secret recovery sheet. This envelope contains a sheet to write your 24-word secret recovery phrase. Never share it with anyone. Okay, that's some good advice. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. Anyways, yeah, recovery sheets. Your Nano will generate a unique list of 24 words during the setup. Hopefully you can read that. This is your secret recovery phrase. So I think it's just teaching you a bit about this. Make sure to copy each word correctly. Beware anyone who else has access to recoveries can steal your assets. Keep it in a safe place. Never share. Yeah, good. There's good advice that they're giving. Interesting. So yeah, you just write down your 24 words and they give 3 of these just so you can write it down. I'll show you just so we cover it all. Okay, put that away. The thing is, right, they've got a product called Ledger Recover. Do your research on that. It's not, I'm not happy with it. But yeah, anyways, this is the product itself. The Ledger Nano. This is very small, very, very small, like compared to my hand. Okay, can do a 360. It's got some film on it. Hold on, is that dirt? Look at that. That is dirt. Okay, that's very interesting. I am very concerned. Why is there dirt on there? And look at this. I don't know if that's, it looks like it's been reattached. Okay, I don't want to, like, I'm not gonna test this right now. Resilience by design, but basically the parcel that this arrived in, right, it was with the Ledger Stax and it was on hold for many days, and I had to actually give my passport or photo ID, and they held it for so long. I was worried have they tampered with it. Ledger, when I was setting up the Stacks, right, they done OS and authenticity test of the actual product. So hopefully this has something similar. But yeah, there's 2 buttons on the top that you would click, and I hope this hasn't been tampered with. I don't know if I'm actually going to even be using this because I've got so many other hardware devices. Let's see what else is in the box. Ledger.com start. You don't need anything besides Ledger. Live and yourself too. Okay. Besides Ledger, live and yourself. Okay. Buy Bitcoin, send, receive, exchange, grow, secure, and sell. Okay. It's just basically just information for you. Getting started. There's a getting started guide. There's some stickers here. They love the stickers, actually. I didn't get that with my Nano X when I first purchased it years ago, which is interesting. But they give it now. So this is just a quick start guide. Have fun screenshotting that on 24 FPS, lol. But yeah, it's just a quick start guide just to show you what to do, basically, in multiple languages, it looks like. It's not that deep. Let's pack that away as well. Put that to a side. And finally, what is this? Ooh, see, I like this. This is a little lanyard thing. And, okay, this cable is decent. Wow. Okay, it's braided. Well, it's tough. It seems very tough. This cable is good. It's USB-C to A. So yeah, you put in the USB-C in here and you have to connect it. It's not Bluetooth compatible, unfortunately, so you do have to do it via USB. So this is the USB that comes with it. I'm just going to do a quick lineup for you, just so you guys can see. So the Ledger Nano S, you can basically have over 5K tokens, which you can manage on this. And you can manage NFTs and up to 100 apps that you can install on this Ledger Nano S. You can also do that on the Ledger Nano X. As I said, it's USB-C. Is EAL6 certified as well for the security chip. Ledger recovers a controversial thing. However, basically you can use that as well. I don't recommend that anybody uses that unless you're a corporation or something. This is also obviously compatible with Mac OS, and you can obviously buy, sell, swap, and do many other things on Ledger Live, which is their application. Just one last thing, it has a bit of information there, made in France, that is what it's saying. But yeah, do check out my Ledger Stax comprehensive unboxing. I've done that as well. And if you want more updates regarding crypto tech and like a lot of crypto hardwares and stuff, do subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you did enjoy this. And lastly, let's not forget, together let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.